What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I uploaded. I got a Bimmergeeks Protool for the car, and I was going to make a video on it, and it quit working. But luckily, the guys at Bimmergeeks quickly sent me out a second one so I can make this video. So I'm going to be real honest with you. I paid for this out of my own money. They didn't sponsor it. They did send me the second one for free. The Bimmergeeks Protool and their adapter is I mean, it's cool. It's wireless. I was super hyped to not have the wire there anymore, and it's alright. I mean, the gauges, they're pretty quick to respond, but they're kind of laggy compared to the wired one. They're much harder to look at than the wired one. I mean, you can't have all 8 up, you know, like you won't be able to look at them. They all look the same no matter what you do. You can change the colors of them, but they still look the same. They all 8 will look identical. So currently I'm only running 4. I think I have oil temp, fuel rail, low pressure fuel, and oil temp. It's just, you know, it's just not the best thing in the world. I just, you know, I want to go ahead and show you kind of what it's like, how it goes, and you know, if I was going to do this again, I wouldn't spend the money. I mean, unless you're really going to use this for lots and lots of things, but if you already have MHD and all you want is the gauges and to data log, then this is not a good use of nearly $200. I mean, it's not good. I mean, the adapter's $40 and the master license is $120. I got the master license so that if I need to do like injector stuff like that, I have the ability to do that. Only reason I did that, even though I already have the INPA software, it's just I figured it would be much easier on the phone. But the interface in this app is just not. It's just not there. It's laggy, and it says that it needs to update like at least 2 or 3 times a week, and it won't let you use the app until you update it. So it's just a real pain to use. It's not convenient. I mean, if you really want wireless, then you definitely need this. But like I said, yeah, it's just So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And I will be having new videos coming out in the near future.